Forget about standard bathroom layouts. Nothing turns a good day into a great one like a peekaboo toilet. The patented Hidealoo retractable hidden toilet is more than just a novelty. It's a space-saving powerhouse that lets you install a throne practically anywhere. My home, whether it's a tight corner of your home or even tucked right under your desk at the office. Amazing. While the Hidealoo is all about hiding away the essentials, our next piece of furniture is designed to be the center of attention through pure rhythmic motion. Designer Simon Lindberg is pushing the boundaries of interactive furniture with his latest project, Hasselbacken 2. This isn't just a cabinet, it's a living piece of art defined by kinetic wave doors that respond to magnetic interaction. Born from a spirit of pure experimentation, the design blends mirrors, shadows, and magnetism to create patterns that are constantly emerging and shifting. The result is a piece that feels alive. Even when the doors are closed, the cabinet remains in a captivating state of motion. Next, there are plenty of reasons to consider bunk beds. Maybe you want your kids to bond, or you're simply fighting for every square foot in a small home or a rustic cabin. Whatever your motivation, the Magic Bunk Bed by Hidealoo Kids is the ultimate all-in-one solution. This patented system is a powerhouse of utility, featuring 2 cupboards, a wide bookcase, and a movable desk. It even includes a trundle bed with built-in underbed storage and a dresser that doubles as a ladder. Fully reversible and available in multiple colors, it's the perfect centerpiece for a compact, highly organized layout. Next up, check out this seamless tiled access panel, a clever solution that keeps plumbing and shutoff valves accessible while staying virtually invisible when closed, preserving a clean, modern look. And let's be real, it's not just for pipes. Whether you're hiding a safe or a secret stash, I'll leave the possibilities of what you can tuck away behind these tiles entirely to your imagination. Next up is a transformer table cabinet by Mebliv. At first glance, it looks like a simple low-profile sideboard or a 3-drawer bench. However, the middle drawer can be fully removed and rotated for portable storage. When the front panels are unhooked, the hidden unit underneath is released, allowing the other modules to slide out and transform into a secondary bench. But the real magic happens when those drawers rotate to become supports for a massive height-adjustable table. By pulling the dual handles, the surface unfolds into a full-size dining area that comfortably seats 6 to 8 people. It's incredibly stable thanks to internal supports, and when dinner is over, everything slots back into its compact housing in seconds. It's the perfect way to host a party without permanently sacrificing your floor space. Next up is the Eggersmann furnspin Hideaway Storage System. At first glance, it looks like a sleek glass front cabinet, but there's much more happening beneath the surface. With a simple pivot, the shelving rotates, revealing hidden storage that disappears again when closed. And if you're a fan of 80s icons but need modern functionality, this piece is a total head turner. The Rubik's Cube has been a legend for 30 years, though, let's be honest, most of us still can't solve one. Created by Flat Studio, this giant replica is more than a tribute. It's a brilliant storage unit perfect for any creative studio or kids' room. Now, let's move into the kitchen, where space saving really makes a difference. If your kitchen feels limited when it comes to workspace, Zortaş Concept Design offers some clever solutions to fix that. Think swing-out tables or pull-out worktops, simple ideas that completely transform how your kitchen works. These features take up very little space, so they won't interfere with your storage, yet they give you plenty of extra room for food prep when needed. And once you're done, they slide or fold neatly out of the way. Even better, they can double as a compact dining area. But that's not all. Kitchens often have those awkward, hard-to-reach corners that end up wasted. That's where a Lazy Susan cabinet comes in. With its rotating tiered shelving, it makes full use of deep corner spaces while keeping everything easily accessible. No more struggling to reach the back. It's especially ideal for storing larger items like pots, pans, and bulky essentials, keeping your kitchen both organized and efficient. This next design takes the concept of all-in-one to a whole new level, turning your sleeping quarters into a high-tech sanctuary. This futuristic bed is the ultimate enclosure system, designed to pack an entire room's worth of features into a single footprint. It comes fully loaded with a remote-controlled massage chair, integrated Bluetooth speakers, a bookshelf, and a dedicated lamp for late-night reading. There's even a built-in desk for your laptop and a charging station to keep all your devices powered up without ever leaving the covers. For peak comfort, the headrests are fully adjustable, and the unit even includes a hideaway ottoman for guests and a side-mounted massage chaise lounge, perfect for a movie marathon. Built to last with a solid pine wood frame and available in various leather finishes, this bed is essentially an adult playground designed for total relaxation. Now, if there's one thing outside of the usual furniture designs that I want to get my hands on badly, it's this bifold pocket doors. Next up is this folding wall-mounted Murphy desk, an ingenious solution designed to turn any cramped corner into a fully functional workstation. The clever part, when you're done working, the desk folds flat against the wall and doubles as a whiteboard for notes or brainstorming. The same company offers several other multifunctional pieces, but to be honest, the aesthetic feels a little dated compared to the sleek designs we've seen so far. It might be the first time we've come across a piece where the sheer functionality seems to have sacrificed the overall style. It's practical, sure, but is it something you'd want as a centerpiece? What do you guys think? We all know there's nothing better than a movie night after a long, hard day, but setting the scene shouldn't feel like a chore. Thanks to this automated picture lifting mechanism, you can now transform your living room or bedroom into the ultimate home theater with a single click. Gone are the days of staring at a giant black screen when the power is off. Instead, your TV is hidden behind a beautiful piece of art that glides away the moment you're ready to binge watch. It creates the perfect cinematic atmosphere every single time. Honestly, the hardest part isn't the setup, it's forcing yourself to press that button again, hide the screen, and finally leave your new high-tech safe haven. And once your TV is neatly hidden away behind a work of art, what about your valuables? That's where Hide-A-Shelf comes in. This discreet wall-mounted shelf offers hidden storage with quick access, perfect for safeguarding items like firearms, important documents, or personal belongings. Moving on, we've all experienced the frustration of tripping over scattered shoes, or wasting time trying to find a matching pair in the chaos. But organizing your shoes isn't just about keeping things tidy, it can actually make your whole routine smoother. That's where a well-designed shoe cabinet makes a real difference. Unlike traditional options, this one combines hidden shoe storage with a built-in stool, giving you a convenient place to sit while putting your shoes on or taking them off. Next, if you're in the market for a Murphy bed with a built-in desk, the Innova bed is unlike anything else available. Most convertible beds require a complicated setup, but this one uses a proprietary patented mechanism that allows it to transform in one fluid motion. You get instant access to either a spacious desk or a full queen-size mattress without the typical struggle. Next up, take a look at how the designer from Amateur Arte solved his own organization dilemma with a gorgeous custom-designed built-in unit. What appears to be a stunning wall of fluted wood paneling with decorative shelving and a large floating mirror is actually a masterclass in hidden storage. And finally, to wrap everything up, let's end on a note of pure comfort and luxury. Ever wondered what it feels like to sink into something like Mëlo 9? This oversized modern modular sectional brings that experience right into your home. Designed with ultra-soft feather-down cushioning, it adapts to your body's contours, delivering a level of comfort that's hard to beat. But what really sets it apart is its versatility. Each section can be rearranged however you like, allowing you to customize the layout based on your space, your needs, or even your mood. Whether you're hosting guests or just relaxing solo, it effortlessly adjusts to the moment. Alright, now it's your turn. Which one of these was your favorite? And is there any design you'd actually use in your own space? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.